Hi, honey. What's in this box? Oh. Can you open it?
Awesome. That's a cool truck.
And I have a police car and a muscle pickup truck.
I see that. That's great.
And we can also bring this back everywhere.
Bags! You got bags!
We don't need any more bags. Ben's gonna stop pooping, therefore we won't need bags.
What's that? An egg? What else? What is that? A treat? Is it candy? You want to have it? Not right now. What else is in there?
Can I share with them?
We'll see, James.
Snack.
A snack. What else is in there? What else is in the box, Ben? You can have one in a minute. What's in the box? That's candy. What else? Is there anything else in here? What else? Ben, James, it's his box. What is that? Silly. Is there anything else in there? It looks like candy. Is there anything else? Ben, what else is in there? Colors. Wow. And what else? Chalk. Egg chalk and colors. And that egg. Can you tell Gabe thank you? Thank you, Gabe. Say thank you, Gabe.
Thank you, Gabe.